The global EV race isn't won by the loudest brand, but by the company controlling the most critical parts: batteries, motors, electronics, and semiconductors. One company decided early not to outsource them. That company is BYD. This is how BYD built the world's most vertically integrated EV supply chain and quietly reshaped the global auto industry. Electric vehicles aren't just cars. They are rolling batteries, power electronics, and software-controlled energy systems. With over 40% of an EV's cost in the battery, controlling them means controlling everything: cost, scale, and profitability. BYD understood this early. To control the business, you must control the batteries. So they started somewhere else. BYD began as a battery manufacturer. Long before EVs were mainstream, BYD was producing rechargeable batteries, improving energy density, and driving costs down through scale. When EV demand exploded, BYD didn't scramble for supply. It already had it. This gave BYD a structural advantage: no dependence on external suppliers, no exposure to shortages, and full control over chemistry and design. Cars were the end product. The supply chain was the foundation. BYD didn't stop at batteries. It integrated battery cells, battery packs, electric motors, power electronics, vehicle assembly, key semiconductors. Instead of buying components at market prices, BYD internalized volatility. When shortages hit the global auto industry, BYD kept producing because it owned the bottlenecks. BYD's Blade battery wasn't just safer, it was supply chain smart. The design reduced parts complexity, improved packing efficiency, and simplified manufacturing. This allowed for faster scaling, lower costs, and higher yields. BYD didn't design for maximum specs, it designed for manufacturability at scale. While competitors focused on marketing, software, and autonomous promises, BYD focused on manufacturing. Their factories are highly standardized, automated, and designed for rapid ramp-up. This allowed them to launch multiple models quickly, adjust volumes without chaos, and serve global markets. Speed came from control, not hype. When supply chains break, integration wins. BYD was insulated from battery price spikes, semiconductor shortages, supplier renegotiations. Vertical integration acted as a cost hedge, a resilience strategy, a competitive moat. In volatile industries, owning the risk beats managing it. Competitors can copy designs, but they struggle to copy BYD's integrated production, supplier independence, and manufacturing scale. This required years of investment, massive capital, and the patience to sacrifice early margins. That's long-term supply chain power. BYD didn't win the EV race by being the most exciting brand, but by being the most prepared manufacturer. In the next decade of electrification, the companies that survive won't be the ones with the best slogans. They'll be the ones who control the hardest parts of the supply chain. That's why BYD isn't just an EV company. It's a supply chain legend of the modern era.